For this extra credit video, we're going to talk about using the difference quotient, which the formula for it is f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. And when you're doing this, it's important to remember that you want to keep all h variables in your equation. You don't want to cancel any of them out because they'll cancel in the end. And you want to make sure that everything cancels on both sides, otherwise you probably made an error somewhere. So for this equation, f of x is equal to x squared minus 3. You substitute in f of x plus h anywhere where you see an x, because it is f of x. So you're going to pull x of x plus h into where x is, squared, minus 3. And then f of x is x squared minus 3. So now we distribute, and you get x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 3 minus x squared minus 3. When you now your x's, everything should cancel except everything but the h's. So x squared cancels, your minus 3 cancels with the minus 3 because you distribute the negative and it makes it positive, making it 0. So you're left with 2x plus h plus 2 over h. These are all over h's, and also we just didn't write them. So then your h's will cancel with the 2x plus h and the h squared, and you'll be left with 2x plus h. The next video, or the next problem I should say, is f of x is equal to 3x plus 1. So the same concept, you plug in x plus h anywhere where you see the x. So you get 3x plus h, parentheses, plus 1 minus x, which is 3x plus 1, all over h. So then after you distribute the 3 through, you get 3x plus 3h plus 1 minus 3x plus 1 over h. And you cut out everything that's not h, so your 3x's cancel. This negative makes that 1 minus, so then that 1's will cancel out, and you're left with 3h over h. And the h's cancel, and you're left with 3. The next equation, which is f of x is equal to 4x squared minus 6. So again, you substitute in, your first step, substitute in the x plus h wherever you see the x. So you have 4x plus h squared minus 4x squared minus 6 over h. So now you distribute the negative, or not the negative, the squared. So you get 4x plus, or x squared plus 2xh plus h squared minus 6 minus 4x squared minus 6. So then you distribute out the 4 through the equation. You get 4x squared plus 8xh plus 4h squared minus 6, and this is still x, minus 4x squared plus 6. So then your 4x squared will cancel out, your 6 cancel out, and you're left with any of the variables that still have h in it, which is 8xh plus 4h squared over h. And after, your h's will cancel out, and you're left with 8x plus 4h as your final answer.